Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best ink 245XL 246XL combo pack is probably one of the most essential purchases for anyone looking to maintain the quality and efficiency of their home or office printing, offering a reliable and cost-effective solution for everyday printing needs, from vibrant photos to crisp documents, ensuring that your printer continues to perform at its peak without breaking the bank, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious consumers who refuse to compromise on print quality. Number 5. Valuetoner 245XL ink cartridge for Canon Pixma. Ensure vibrant and clear prints with our high-quality ink cartridge replacement. Designed for seamless compatibility, it's the perfect choice for your printing needs. Our ink cartridges are compatible with a wide range of Canon Pixma printers, including models like the TR4520, MX490, and MG2520. Check our list to find your perfect match. Enjoy printing more for less. The black cartridge yields up to 500 pages, and the color cartridge yields up to 400 pages, ensuring you get the most out of every cartridge. Never run out of ink unexpectedly. Our cartridges feature an intelligent chip that provides accurate ink level monitoring, so you always know when it's time to replace. Each cartridge undergoes strict quality testing to guarantee compatibility and deliver exceptional print quality. You can rely on consistent performance with every print. We stand by our product with a 24-month warranty and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you have any questions or need assistance, our customer service team is here to help. What we like? This option offers a high page yield, printing up to 500 pages in black and 400 in color. It also features an intelligent chip for accurate ink level tracking. If you need a reliable ink supply with good longevity and clear status updates, this is a great choice for consistent printing needs. What people say. The ink cartridges are easy to install and produce vibrant colors. Print quality is excellent, with sharp text and clear images. The combo pack offers great value, providing both black and color ink. Number 4. SUPRINT 245XL ink cartridge replacement for Canon. Simply remove the protective tape and insert the cartridge into your Canon printer. It delivers great compatibility with your printer, making replacement a breeze. Get up to 500 pages from the black cartridge and 400 from the color one. This ensures you can handle all your school, home, and office printing needs efficiently. Experience bright and accurate colors that ensure your print results are always clear and sharp. Using our ink protects your printer and delivers long-lasting, high-quality prints. Our cartridges feature a protective seal and snap-fit installation to prevent ink leakage. The integrated design eliminates potential drip points, ensuring a clean experience. Arriving vacuum-sealed, these cartridges preserve ink freshness for up to 24 months. This makes them perfect for keeping spares on hand for busy periods. Manufactured to high standards with imported ink, these cartridges offer waterproof and smudge-proof results. Your documents will remain vivid for up to 5 years. What we like? This product boasts a leak-proof sealed design and is made with premium remanufactured quality using imported ink. It can be stored unopened for up to 24 months without quality degradation. If you're looking for ink that is safe to handle, preserves freshness for long-term storage, and offers excellent print quality, this is the ideal pick for stocking up. What people say. The ink cartridges are easy to install and the print quality is excellent. The colors are vibrant and the ink dries quickly, preventing smudges. This combo pack offers great value for money, providing both black and color ink. Number 3. Inktopia remanufactured ink for Canon 245XL 246XL. Get vibrant, reliable prints with our remanufactured ink cartridges. This pack includes 2 black and 1 tricolor cartridge, offering excellent value for your printing needs. Designed to work seamlessly with a range of Canon Pixma printers, including models like the TR4520, MX492, and MG2520. Enjoy hassle-free installation and consistent performance. Print more for less. The black cartridges yield up to 400 pages each, while the tricolor cartridge provides up to 300 pages, ensuring you can tackle all your printing tasks. Keep track of your ink levels with the built-in indicator. This feature helps you know when it's time to replace your cartridges, preventing unexpected interruptions. Whether for documents, photos, or everyday printing, these cartridges deliver sharp text and brilliant colors. They are a cost-effective solution for both home and office use. Our compatible cartridges are designed for easy installation, just like the originals. Simply pop them in and start printing high-quality pages right away. What we like. This combo pack includes 2 black cartridges and 1 tricolor cartridge, along with an ink level indicator. If you frequently print documents with a lot of black text or want an extra black cartridge for peace of mind, this value focus pack is perfect for your needs. What people say. The ink is compatible with my Canon printer and prints clearly. The combo pack provides both black and color ink, which is convenient for everyday printing needs. Number 2. H&BO TOPMAE Remanufactured ink cartridges for Canon PG, 245XL CL, 246XL. Introducing our high-quality remanufactured ink cartridges. They offer a reliable and cost-effective solution for your printing needs. These cartridges are designed for a wide range of Canon Pixma printers, ensuring seamless integration with your existing device. Experience impressive page yields with our ink. The black cartridge prints up to 600 pages, and the color cartridge prints up to 450 pages. Keep track of your ink levels easily with the convenient built-in display. This helps you manage your printing and avoid running out unexpectedly. Please note that these cartridges are compatible with Canon 245 and 246 ink, but not with the Canon TS3520 printer. Kindly confirm your printer model before purchasing. Get the best of both worlds, excellent performance and great value. These cartridges provide a high-volume printing solution without breaking the bank. What we like. This option provides the highest page yield among the choices, with 600 pages for black and 450 for color, and includes an ink level display. If you are a high-volume user who prints extensively and needs to maximize the output from each cartridge while easily monitoring ink levels, this is the most economical and convenient selection. What people say. The ink is good and the print quality is great. The ink is a good value and the colors are vibrant. Number 1. Canon PG, 245XL CL, 246XL ink value pack with photo paper. Introducing the Canon PG, 245XL and CL, 246XL genuine ink value pack. This pack includes 2 high-yield ink cartridges and 50 sheets of photo paper, offering great value for all your printing needs. Save money and print more with these XL capacity ink cartridges. They offer an extended print yield, reducing the frequency of replacements and keeping your costs down. Experience crisp, sharp black text for your documents and accurate, impressive color photos. This ink is designed to deliver outstanding quality every time. Powered by Canon's fine technology, these cartridges ensure high precision and reliable accuracy. Enjoy efficient printing with superior results. Always choose genuine Canon ink for peak performance and reliability. Look for the Canon logo to guarantee the outstanding quality you expect. These cartridges are compatible with a range of Canon inkjet printers, including models like the IP2820, MG series, MX492, and TS series. Check compatibility for your specific model. What we like. This is a genuine Canon ink value pack that comes with 50 sheets of photo paper and utilizes Canon's fine technology for precision printing. If you prioritize authentic Canon quality for your documents and photos, and appreciate the convenience of having photo paper included for immediate use, this pack ensures optimal performance and vibrant results. What people say. The ink cartridges are easy to install and the print quality is excellent. The colors are vibrant and the ink dries quickly, preventing smudges. This combo pack offers great value for money, providing both black and color ink. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.